Hello there, this is Tiago with another bookkeeping video. Since bookkeeping is related to mathematics, you will find this type of video on my channel. So in this video, I'm just going to be demonstrating the difference between fixed expenses and variable expenses. What a fixed expense is an expense that does not change over time. So in a business, you could have broadband, SIM-only contract, and rent expenses. And these three things might not change over time. So they would be considered as fixed expenses. Okay? In this case, broadband stays at £25 per month. The SIM-only contract stays at £15 per month. And rent stays at £800 per month. And you can see this on the spreadsheet. Nothing changes over the course of this year. Now, variable expenses are expenses that fluctuate over a period of time. Such expenses could be electricity and gas expenses. These will change each month according to what is used, as you can see on this spreadsheet. Now, most businesses will have to deal with a combination of fixed and variable expenses. The good thing about fixed expenses is that they are easier to control. You know exactly what you have to pay each month. The downside to variable expenses is that they change each month, so the expenses are less predictable. Now, if you graph fixed expenses, what you're going to see is a straight line. That is because everything is constant and nothing changes over a period of time. However, with variable expenses, the picture is going to be quite different. What we're going to see if we graph variable expenses is fluctuations. That is because with variable expenses, we are paying something different each month. Now, overall, if companies graph their expenses, what they are going to see is a fluctuating graph. That is because if you add variable expenses to fixed expenses, you still get fluctuations. So, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully now you can understand the difference between fixed expenses and variable expenses. You can differentiate between a fixed expense graph and a variable expense graph, and you also know what a fixed expense plus variable expense graph looks like. If you have any questions related to this video, please leave them in the comment section and I will try to respond when I can. For more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.